We are Olivier and Sarah.
From Off the Tourist Treadmill.
And today we are in Valencia.
So we've left the cruise ship at the MSC Splendida at the port. We've taken the cruise bus today, but there is a public bus. There's a free shuttle bus from MSC Splendida to the terminal, and then you can pick up a public bus for about €1.50 to the city centre. But today we're travelling with my father, so we have come on the MSC bus. We've been dropped literally on the bridge that goes to the gates behind us. So come with us and see what we can discover in Valencia today. There you are, that's what we've got up to today in the cruise port of Valencia from the MSC Splendida. We've had a lovely couple of hours there.
Yes, it was very nice.
Historic, lots of historic buildings, lots you can go in if you want to go and visit or just walk around and soak up the atmosphere. So yeah, we've had a good couple of hours. Very hot today.
Yes, it was very hot,
39 degrees, so if you're going in the heat, take lots of water with you, which of course you can, if you've got a drinks package, you can get from on board to save you some money when you're in Valencia. Anyway, that's all from us today.
So don't forget to subscribe and push the thumbs up. This is help our channel, and as usual, it's free for you. So thank you very much.
And we'll see you
next time.
Bye for now.